Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your IGS energy and what are the cancellation charges and all. So let's get started. So my dear friends, there is only one way by which you can cancel your IGS energy, that is via calling method. And you need to call on this number. The number you can see over here on the Google search result, like you can see, you need to call on this number. And once you get connected, you need to tell them that you want to cancel your service, or you can say energy plan, and they can cancel your service very easily. But make sure you are calling them before at least 10 to 15 days, or you can say 1 month before. You have to provide a notice period of you want to cancel your, you can say, services. Okay, so when you want to cancel your plan, like you can also do this thing like while in written process, but the written process is a little bit hard. And you have to call, and they will cancel your plan immediately. Okay, and they will register your request. Okay, and if we're talking about like what are the, you can say, charges and all, so there is no such kind of charges are available. You don't need to pay anything. They don't have any kind of, you can say, charges for cancellation. Okay, so this is the best thing about IGS energy. So we are hats off, they are not getting any kind of charge, they are not charging you. So they are a very good company. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any kind of questions, you can make a comment, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.